students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is find the HCF of 72 and 120 by using Euclid's division algorithm. So to follow Euclid's division algorithm, what we will do, we will start with the bigger number. We will take bigger number, that is 120, as our dividend, and we will take smaller number, which is 72, as our divisor. So we will divide this by 72. What we will get? 28 plus 20. We will get 48 here. Ones are right. So 48 is still 48 is less than 72. So we are following the Euclid's division algorithm. Now what we'll do, we'll replace this remainder with divisor and divisor with dividend. So this divisor will become our next dividend, and this dividend will be this remainder will become our divisor. Now we'll divide 72 by 48. So 48 ones are, so we will get 24, correct? Now here we got 24, and we'll now again we'll follow the same process. This remainder will become our divisor, and this divisor will become our dividend. So this will be 48. Now this is 2 times 24, and we are getting remainder 0. When we are getting our remainder as 0, our dividend is our HCF. Our dividend is our HCF. So we can write like this: 120, which is equals to 120 is 1 times 72 plus 1 times 72 plus 48. Now 72 can be written as 1 times 48 into plus 20 plus 24, and 48 can be written as 2 times 24 into plus 0. So this is our HCF, highest common factor. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.